Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this beautiful designing on the kurti, which you can try like the overall designing on blouses or else designing on sarees, whatnot. Any types of garments you can try for the designing. And let's quickly start. Here I'd be using 4 number size of gold metallic bead, and firstly I'd be giving the stitch for joining of that bead, and next to this I'd be joining gold zardosi string of very small size. Here I cut. This is to create the small shape of the flower, and for this stitching I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. Most of them were requesting that which number needle we have to use for the zardosi string, so that's why, and in each and every video I'll be saying it's 9 number needle for the stitching of zardosi, because this is very thin, which you can work for zardosi string, and this is how we'll create the small shape of the flower. The materials which I'm gonna use for this designing is easily available in the fancy ladies corner stores or tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box, kindly check them. Though these patterns will really look simple, but once you wear it, it will really give stylish look for the daily wear or for the office wear. And you can try this designing on already stitched plain garments to turn into new designer garments. And here for the creating of another flower, I cut in 1 centimeter length of zardosi string. This is firstly we'll create the petals, then the filling will be done, and this would be of 6 petals. So holding in the shape of U at this tip, we have to give the stitch so that it will be in place. This is how we'll create the small tiny flower. These simple tiny flowers you can also try on any types of plain garments such as sarees designing. You can work on the dupattas. Firstly, knowing the method of creating these patterns is very important so that we can try on any types of garments. And now I'd be using lemon color or else yellow color anchor thread, which is of 12 strands here. For that stitching I'd be using size 60 number needle, and the filling will be done using the long French knot. This is how we have to create it for the filling in these petals. As I said, these patterns are very simple and easy to do it without taking much time of yours, and can be designed on any types of garments. So like this we'll create the tiny flower, and in between these two gaps we have to give the French knot. This is how the complete pattern will be followed, and to create this type of designer neckline. Isn't it looking so awesome? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.